Our video capture PCB features a copper thickness of 0.5 ounces with a maximum thickness of 4 ounces on request. This item is available with HAL, ENIG, OSP, gold finger and tin chemistry surface finishes, board dimensions of 600 to 1000 mm, a minimum hole diameter of 0.2 mm, a minimum line width of 0.0075 mm, a minimum line spacing of 0.0075 mm, a minimum SMT pitch of 30 degrees, a PTH hole tolerance of 0.25 mm, and a NPTH hole tolerance of 0.15 mm. This item undergoes electrical testing and comes RoHS directive compliant. For more information, contact us today.